For our last video showing graphing techniques that we need for this class, we are looking at question number 6 on 1.6. We're given a set of data that expresses exam scores for students in an introductory statistics class. I have listed them in no particular order. We are going to fix that by highlighting the values, and then if we right click, it says sort range. So if we click on sort range, we have two options, A to Z, which means smallest to largest, or if it was alphabetical, A to Z. Then we have the other option, Z to A, which would be largest to smallest, or alphabetically it would be Z to A. So we do want to go smallest to largest, so we're not going to change anything here. We just click on sort, and now it has sorted the information for us. This is where the dot plots are tedious in that we have to count each individual value. And we have 34 appears once, and we're going to type these numbers in: 39 1, 63 1, 64, 67, 70, 75, 76. When we get to 86, we still have just one of everything, but here at 89, we have two 89 values. So we're going to type in 1 for the first one, 2 for the second. Then we jump to 90. So that's 1. 96 is going to be 1, 2, and then 100 is 1. We need that to make sure that we make an accurate digital dot plot using our information. So we're going to highlight everything again, just as we've been doing. Create a chart. It jumped to a histogram, which is not what we want, so we're going to jump down here to scatter chart. We click on that. I don't like the way the axes are labeled here, so let's kind of adjust things a little bit if we can. Not axis titles. Let's see, we need to change the vertical axis. The minimum value is 0. Our maximum value we'll say is 3. And that kind of cleaned up our chart already. So there is our dot plot of the exam scores. You can play with a horizontal axis if you'd like. I think you can. Maybe not. The larger the chart, the more numbers will appear across the x-axis. So if you wanted to enlarge that, you would have different values appearing on the x-axis. But we're really interested in the shape of this graph. And we see that now we have one of all these values over here on the far left, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And then we get over here towards those two scores where we did have two different values of the same number. You can see the dot on the value for 1, and then it jumps up and there's a dot above on the line for 2. So that's the easiest way to create a dot plot using Google Sheets, and I hope that these videos are of some use to you, and that will be it unless I have to come up with something else to help you guys out. But for now, that's what we've got.